QS23, enter. Plant is 1710 and MIC is CL/1. Press enter key. It's released and it is a quantitative. I have MIC. I have kept it in complete copy model. In the control indicator, controls which are selected is upper limit and lower limits. Sampling procedure I haven't selected. If you select this indicator class recording in the result confirmation part, if I press F1 key, the results for the MICs are recorded as a class value. Required is selected and remaining controls are default only for the MIC. Quantitative data, I haven't maintained any information. So let me save this, and the same MIC is assigned in my plan. Let me show you my plan. QP02, enter. This is my material, plant is this. Center key. In the header level data, no extra information is maintained only, or I can make the usage as say 3. And in the operation, the control key is maintained, and in the inspection characteristics, let me remove all the MICs which are at present. Okay, and then I can assign that same MIC which I have just been shown you. CL-1. Okay, press enter key. Then it will ask me for the specifications to be maintained. As in the MIC, you can see upper and lower limit was selected and the class recording is selected, required at fixed scope for the indicators which were selected, and here I can specify my lower limit to be used and even the upper limit. Suppose if I'm keeping it say 65 to 90, and here number of classes I want, if I press F1 key, need to define the class tolerance range or the class width you want, that you will be specifying here. If I enter say 3 number of classes, even this is mandatory, asterisk here, enter. Now I need to tell my target value. I say 70 here in this, and this is mandatory, so let me maintain asterisk here. Press enter key, and let me show you once again. Now it has populated the value for the class width as 8 and 78. These are my specification. Target value is maintained for it. Let's go back. You can check the consistency of the plan and then save it. Now if I create a manual lot, because 89 is activated in my material, QA01, enter. Here my material is 91 and 89 lot I am creating for the manual inspection lot creation. I can enter say my quantity as say 45. Enter. The sample size has been calculated. You can click on batch, continue, and then save it. Now I can go for the result recording for the same. The status is coming as 1, which means I need to process this. Okay, but here I cannot enter any information until at present it is disabled. The specification which are coming are 65 to 90, because in the plan we have specified 65 to 90. Double click on it. The range is coming from 65 to this. Let me open my plan also in another session. In the display mode, QP03, enter. My material was this, plant is this, enter, and in the inspections for this MIC, the data which we have maintained is target value I have specified as 70, and the number of classes I have specified 3. 3 classes are coming. Lower than 65 and upper than 90 is also coming, because I have specified my range from 65 to 90. So that was my range, 65 to 90. And target value I have given as 70 and number of class I have given 3. It has given me the 3 values between that same range 65 to 90. Okay? And those will be the accepted values, and lower and above that value will be valuation will be rejected for it. Okay, so suppose if I enter the value class size where we are entering the value is the number of sample units for which you got that value. I'm entering 1 here, press enter key. It is proposing me to be accepted and then continue. Okay, so let's go back. The valuation has been accepted. The status also has been changed to 5. Unlock it. To edit it, let me remove this, and if I enter the value, say my target value is 70, and if I enter value here in this, again it is giving me accepted or rejected. Acceptable range is 65 to 90. Okay, let me close this. Let me remove this, and if I enter the value out of this specification, so I am entering the value here. Enter. It is of course giving me a warning, and even proposed value is valuation is rejected. Continue. Let's go back. So the valuation has been rejected because the result is coming as this, whereas my specifications are between 65 to 90. Let me again unlock it. So the status is again 2, and double click on it to enter the value. Let me remove this and enter it here. Enter. If you want, you can add some description here. Continue. And let's go back. And now the valuation is added and the status is 5. Save it. And of course, you can do the usage decision for it. Okay, batch is restricted. You can move the batch after accepting it and then save it to the unrestricted. QS23, enter. So this is how you can use the indicator for the MIC. This class recording will pick the data from the inspection, or even here also select the quantitative data. You will get the same thing which is coming in the plan. Like here, you will also maintain the upper and lower limit along with the target value and the number of class and the class weight and the midpoint. So this same information, if you are using a complete copy model, then you will be entering this information in the MIC itself.